Ay, nakagising na akong maga. Grabe. Pasokan na pala. Ang bilis ng bakasyon. Makapag digo muna. Sana ba yung banyo dito? Dito yun eh. Ang lamig, grabe. Tapos ang init pa ng panahon. Saktong-sakto to sa mainit na panahon. Ay. Iba to. Ngayon, magbibis na ako. Pabayaan na lang natin. Hello, Ella. Ako nga pala si Evan. Bago ka lang ba dito?
Apa.
Bago ka lang. Sayang wala tayong teacher, pero ayos lang yan. Mag-aaral na lang tayo ng kanya-kanya.
Kaya nga.
Sana ba yung libro dito? May libro ako dito eh. Teka lang, hanapin ko.
Sana ba yung drawing book?
Maganda naman ang drawing mo. Bato. Iba talaga pag ganito buhay natin. Ay. Mamaya kakain na ako. Total wala namang guro tong paaralan na to eh. Anong meron dyan? Teka. Maraming pera yan ah.
Gusto mo?
Hindi na. Kaya ko naman kitain yan eh. Ay, grabe. Sa wakas, natapos ko rin yung inaaral ko. Tara, kain na!
Recess na.
A man who built his empire from nothing with sharp mind and steady hands. But one day, life dealt him a blow he never saw coming. And when he was at his lowest, the woman who promised to love him forever showed him her true face.
Sarap na itong kinakain ko.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe. Also, tell us in the comments
Ubus
where
na.
you're watching from.
Naubos ko kagad.
South Africa or Jamaica.
Tara, balik na tayo. Doon naman tayo sa math. Doon tayo sa math.
One of the fastest growing technology companies in the country.
English pala.
He drove stop and stare on the road. He lived in a massive mansion with marble floors.
Wala rin namang teacher.
Ayos lang yan. Ayos to ah. Okay lang naman yun. Bakit nga pala gana ng suot mo?
Tomboy kasi ako eh.
Pero wala ka pa bang nagustuhan?
Wala pa.
Paano kung may magustuhan ka? Sisiguraduhin mo bang na hindi mo siya papakawalan?
Uwian na.
Uwian na pala. Tara! Yayaan sana kita eh.
She cried at his bedside, gripping his hand tightly. Everything will be fine, she told him, her voice ringing. Better.
Kung ayos lang.
Where?
Ano?
Punta tayo kahit saan.
Nicole looked at her. At least I still have her. But as the week began to change, it started slowly. Bad things often do. So slowly movie that you almost yourself your imagination
Nasira na yung sasakyan ko. Dito na lang ako.
going out at night.
Punta tayo sa bangin. Eto. Sa wakas, nandito na tayo.
Her job as a maid. Bold, quietly dressed, with careful eyes and a small nervous hope on her face. She had no
Wow, kaninong bahay to?
confidence in some.
Hindi ko alam kung kaninong bahay yan eh.
Huwag tayo dito, baka mapagkamalan tayo. Lalala!
Just inside the gate and looked up at the mansion. And for a moment she forgot to
Uy, sasakyan ko! Ba't napunta dito?
Hindi ko nga rin alam kung bakit eh.
La!
Ella!
so
Binangga ako!
Ella!
she tightened her grip on the small bag she was carrying. It held everything the owner was their project. And walked slowly up the driveway toward the front door. A man in a neat gray uniform opened the door before she even knocked. He looked her over quickly, not unkindly but carefully.
Coffee shop?
When they were trying,
Parang nauuwaw ako eh.
he asked,
Sige,
yes, wide and grand, with a dark
Tara.
red that gleamed.
Ano ba yan? Wala akong pera. Buti sana kung may manilibre
tara.
sa akin.
Like a cluster of
Libre
rose
ko.
flowers. It's a chandelier made of hundreds of tiny pieces of glass that
Libre ko, kuha ka na.
Salamat.
nailed and cut was in her life. She had worked in homes that were nice and they were quite common. But she had never stood inside anything like this.
Wait
She
lang.
followed the man down a long
Nasaan ka?
the window that her heart so beautiful it made her chest ache a little. At the end of the hallway, he stopped and knocked once on the door, then opened it and stepped
Ba't ang
back.
tagal mo dyan?
Away. Everybody else stepped inside.
Ako.
The room was large and bright, with bookshelves along one wall and a wide window facing the garden. And there, beside that window,
Ang swerte siguro nung ano, magmamahal sa'yo.
was Michael. He was not what she had expected. She
Hindi
wasn't
ka.
sure exactly what she had expected. Perhaps someone who would
Kasi ganang kakabait.
showed all the weight of what had happened to him. But the man in the wheelchair sat straight and steady, with broad shoulders and sharp, intelligent eyes that turned toward the woman when she entered the room. He looked at her directly, not above her, not past her, at her, but she was a full, real person standing.
Tara na.
Something about that.
Sa bahay ko tayo, tara.
Herself. You're here, he said. His voice was already in. Yes, sir. Please. She sat in the chair across from him, expected that something small moved in her face. Not quite a smile, but almost. He pushed
Hindi dyan.
quickly, but Michael had already seen it. He almost smiled. He said,
Dito sa taas.
"You
Saan ka ba?
Nandito na ako sa taas.
It's funny. It wasn't
Wait,
exactly
dito ka tumuta dito. Saan ka na?
he said.
Dito.
Kanino kwarto?
Sa'yo.
Nakakaya naman na makatulog ako dito. Baka mamaya sabihin nila ano tayo.
Dito. Dito ako.
Sige, tulog na ako. Salamat.
Okay.
Something small
Ay.
that made her
Teka, ano yun?
forget.
May narinig akong ingay doon ah. Teka lang.
James will show you to your room.
Ay, grabe. Hirap na ito.
She's a
Yung makatulog.
at work. Found out where everything was kept. Learned the schedule of
Paano
the
ko kaya
house
sasabihin sa kanya?
without being told twice.
Sa bagay, di ko naman alam kung paano sabihin sa kanya eh. May
But
napapaisip.
there were two.
May naisip kasi ako eh.
He was fully used to the day
Sabihin ko man kung ba talaga.
Ay, hindi ako makatulog. Oh, ba't ka nandyan?
Di nga rin ako makatulog eh. Bakit? May naisip ka ba?
Oo.
Sino ba? Ano ba yan?
Focused.
Tao ba yan?
Manood ng TV sa baba.
That was still sharp and strong and fully alive. But in the evenings, when we were something changed in him.
Masaya
Sit
ako
by the
kasi nakakasama kita.
under the fading light. And in those
Ako rin.
he looked like a man carrying something very heavy that he had no idea how to put down. The second thing Abigail
Hindi ko nga
noticed
alam
was
kung paano sabihin sa'yo to eh.
unpredictable.
Ano ba?
Behind it. She was undeniably beautiful.
May nararamdaman ako
She was tall, perfectly dressed at all times, with the kind of face and posture that filled up a room when she walked into it. She had a
na
bright, easy laugh. But
kakaiba.
Abigail noticed that the laugh never quite reached her eyes. She was not one.
Paano magkakaiba yan?
She was careless in a way that some people are careless with things they think belong to them. She spoke to Abigail and the other staff the way people speak to furniture that has disappointed them.
Gusto kong makasama ka.
Be disinterested. And
Bakit?
she that Abigail found hard
Kasi
to stand. That was the
gumagaan
simplest
ng
way to
mundo
describe
kapag kasama kita.
the way that he designed to cross his wherever it possible. When they were in the same group, she was polite enough, but it was a cold politeness.
Bata pa tayo. Nag-aaral pa tayo.
Abigail watched this carefully and said nothing.
Ganun
It
ba?
was not her place.
Maghihintay ako.
She had learned that lesson in every house she had ever lived in.
Sige.
The moment that changed things came on.
Tara na, magpapasok pa tayo bukas.
Eggs, toast, a cup of tea, when she heard voices from the corridor. Raised voices. She went still and listened without needing to, because the sound cut through the quiet of the house so sharply that it was impossible to ignore. And Michael slower tried to stay steady.
Grabe, hindi ako makapaniwalang sinabi ko yun sa kanya.
The day away. Ruth
Hindi
was
ko alam
standing in the
kung
middle
tama
of
bang ginawa ko o mali.
Sino yun?
Teka, may tao ba doon?
And he could see the effort it was taking him to keep his face calm. I don't understand why it has to be so.
Dito na nga lang
May
ako.
nangisip yata.
I just want a simple answer. I gave you an answer, Michael said quietly. I told you the account transfer will take 3 business days.
Grabe.
That's not me, Ruth. That's how banks work. You could call them. You could make it faster. You always said before. Before I could walk into the bank myself. Now I don't. Ruth's voice dropped into something harder. Don't make this about
Ang
that
saya
again.
pala maglaro ng computer dito. Grabe, panalo. Ah, nga pala. Bakit?
Moved across this. Not anger, not quite. Something older and sad.
Wala lang.
I'm not using anything as an excuse. He said carefully.
Wala, may klase pa bukas.
Ito na. Matutulog na nga.
Wait for me.
Hindi ako makatulog.
Yung may
Ano ako, tutulog sa sahig. Tulog ako sa sahig.
They lose size.
Uy, dito kwarto mo.
Hindi ako makatulog dyan. Kahit sa sahig na, kahit saan na lang ako.
Replaced by that cool black look. And she looked at Abigail.
Dito ka na lang, dito.
Saan ba?
Dito. Dito.
Nakakaya naman sa'yo, tinabihan. Ako din, mag-IBS. Teka lang.
In a very long time. Ruth's behavior continued to shift, like a mask that was slowly slipping. She went out home every evening now. She would come downstairs with something expensive and bright, smelling the perfume, and walk straight out the door without a word to
Uy, kain ka muna.
midnight. Other nights, Abigail would wake at 3 or 4 in the morning to the sound of heels on the marble floor below, and she would lie in her small room and
salamat.
sit. Yes, be sitting on her so she could not
Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Pasensya ka na. Kung nagising ako.
The image she insert herself with. She told herself this every day.
Ilan
She
yun?
would sit Michael by his window in the evenings, very still, very quiet, watching
Ano, tara na?
Tara na.
Wait lang. Tara.
you know when she
Wait lang, nandito sa sakyan ko.
next words back her where she stood. I just want to know she's all right. The voice that was wrong. She won't ever heard from me. I know she's busy. I know she has her own life. I'm not asking her to sit beside me all day. I'm just stop it and to still be waiting.
Tara.
Still hoping. The light burning at the window for someone who was not coming home. understood that. Megan waited for things her whole life. Waited for kindness that came late or never came at all. Waited for a place that felt like it belonged to her. Waiting, she knew, was one of the hardest things a person could do. It was a Friday evening when the first truly bad moment happened. Abigail
Grabe.
had prepared a proper meal, the kind that filled the kitchen with warm smell and made the whole house feel, at least for a little while, like a home. She had set the table carefully in the small
Wow.
dining room that birds
Ay, tapos na ako magbasa.
Ako rin.
Dinner was ready. He was coming up the
Pasado na ba ako? Teka lang.
and he nodded when he saw her. Thank you, Abigail.
Malapit na ito matapos ha. Teka lang. Tingnan ko yung report ko.
The plans were
Grabe.
something moved across his face.
Pasado ako.
I've been giving them attention.
No, ako rin. Paldo.
It was real sweet.
Makakapagtapos na tayo ng pag-aaral. Ito na.
Tara na.
They were still in the corridor. Abigail about to turn back.
Di ba graduation na natin? Malapit na graduation na natin. Lunas.
Dito. Ayun na.
It's not alone. It's laughing at me.
Saya.
Then she turned and saw Michael and Abigail standing in the corridor, and the laughter stopped. For a beat, nobody spoke.
Again.
Yeah. Michael said nothing. He took slowly to went inside. Most of all, then another door, the front door, and she was gone. Abigail stood alone in the corridor for a moment. She went to the kitchen, the plate set for herself, but the rest of the food out to the dining room for Michael. Sitting at the table, not eating, just looking at the candle flame. She set down the dishes.
Ka na.
She tried to go. Abigail, he said, sir,
Ano ginagawa natin dito?
hesitating.
Kuha ka na nga.
I'm not asking you to do anything.
Para saan ba to?
I'm asking you to step across from me so I'm not getting alone again. That's all. She looked at him. He looked back, and there was nothing in his face except something honest and tired and very human. She went and got her plate. She sat down across from him. They ate mostly in silence, but it was the comfortable silence, the kind that doesn't need to be filled. Abigail talked to him.
Salamat.
She plans to respond well.
Excited na ako bukas. Makakatapos na tayo ng pag-aaral. Graduation na natin.
But I never got around to it.
Isa na lang ang kulang
Said,
sa buhay ko.
doesn't stop someone from having a
Sa'yo na yan.
he said carefully, not wanting to understand.
Ikaw ang kulang sa buhay ko.
I could help.
Natanggap mo na ba?
Para saan ba yan? Para saan ba to?
Abigail did that.
Sa'yo na yan.
Something
Tara na.
to them shifted slightly. Under room on a window.
Ayun, umaga na, graduation na.
Hindi pa, uwi ka talaga.
Ito na, inahanda ko na nga yung suit ko para mamaya eh.
Tara.
Ihanda ko yung graduation, mag-graduation, ano ka na. Salamat! Kasi, hindi dahil sa
Naranasan mo na ba yung ginusto lang pero hindi
mag-aaral.
naman talaga pinursue?
Salamat kay Ella. Ella, may tatanungin ako. Oh, may tatanong ako sa'yo. Pwede bang tayo na?
Hindi pinursue? O hindi man lang nabigyan ng
Matagal na
chance
akong naghihintay na sagutin mo ako.
para ipakita kung paano siya magmahal?
Salamat. So guys, salamat sa panonood ng video namin. Shoutout kay Mia. Ang ganda na nagawa natin, di ba? Ganda.
Shout out, guys.
Kay Russell, shoutout din. Kahit di sumama.
Shout out kay Russell. Ang ingay.
Grabe to. Panalo. Dito ko natatapusin ang video na to. Huwag nyo kalimutan palaging mag-subscribe, okay? At mag-comment at mag-like. Peace out!
Sheesh!